Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a young man by the name of Ayan. He dreamed of becoming a successful mountaineer, but everyone laughed at him. They said, "Mountaineers aren't like us." But Ayan believed in his dream. Every morning before sunrise, he would run up the hills to train his body and read books about climbing. Years passed, he faced injuries, failures, and moments where quieting seemed easier. One day, after countless rejections, he got a chance to climb a dangerous peak. As he neared summit, a brutal snowstorm hit. Exhausted, freezing, and plain. His body says at this time, "No more." But his heart whispered, "Just one more step." With all his remaining strength, Ayan took that more one step, then another step, finally reached the top. The world didn't see his struggle. They only saw the photo of him smiling on the summit. But real victory wasn't reaching the peak. It was not giving up when everything inside him screamed to stop. So, ability teaches us how we do. Motivation determines why we do. And attitude decides how well we do. Make a habit of doing it now. The unfortunate part of life is, as Oliver Wendell Holmes said, most people go to their graves with music still in them. We don't achieve excellence because of our own lack of vision. Like James O'Berry said, he slept beneath the moon, he basked beneath the sun. He lived a life of going to do and died with nothing done. We have all procrastinated at some time or another in our lives. I know I have, only to have regretted it later. Procrastination leads to a negative attitude. The reverse is just the truth. They feed each on other. The habit of procrastination fatigues you more than the effort it takes to do the task.